Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and this is possibly our first look at the Google Pixel 4a lineup. And in my opinion, this is what the Pixel 4 flagship should have been as far as looks go. Thanks to OnLeaks, we have these 360-degree renders based off of leaks, and looking at the front, you'll see one big noticeable change. A hole punch camera cutout. Yes, they are finally getting rid of that huge forehead and chin from last year and the one we see on the Pixel 4 flagship as well. This will be the first Pixel lineup to feature a punch hole camera cutout. Now, the bezels still aren't the thinnest, but it does look a lot better. It will be a flat display, possibly around 5.7 or 5.8 inches, which will be just a little bit bigger than last year's. Then you'll also notice at the top, they are keeping the headphone jack, which I am absolutely happy about because I do use it on other devices that have it. Button layout on the side looks the same as last year, and so does the bottom. Now, going to the back of the phone, it looks like they are possibly going to keep that matte finish, which is perfectly fine with me. I prefer this matte finish over a glossy finish. It just makes it more comfortable to hold the phone in the hand without a case and not have to worry about fingerprints or anything like that. It looks like the fingerprint sensor is also staying in the back, which is great. In my opinion, this is the perfect spot for it because your finger just naturally rests in that spot. Now, going to the camera layout, it looks like they are going with the square layout that we see on the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL, which did look kind of funny at first, but looked a lot better in person. So I can imagine it will be the same for the Pixel 4a lineup. Now, it is not clear yet on whether there will be a single camera or a dual camera setup. According to OnLeaks, there will be more sensors housed within the camera module. So if they do bring an extra camera, I really hope it is an ultra-wide lens instead of a telephoto lens like what they did on the Pixel 4 flagship devices, because at least for me, I use the ultra-wide lens so much more than a telephoto lens on other devices. So I really hope they give us that ultra-wide angle lens. Now, this device can be expected to launch in the first half of the year 2020. This is Google's mid-range lineup, so don't expect any crazy specs. Not much is really known, but we can expect at least 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. And I gotta say, the Google Pixel 3a and 3a XL were great mid-range devices with amazing flagship cameras, and even though they had mid-range specs, they still performed very well. So I can expect the same thing for the Pixel 4a lineup. But you all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. I'm actually really looking forward to these devices. There's a lot of people that don't want to spend close to $1,000 on a phone, and these would be a great choice to go with because we can expect the price to be low as well. Like I said, the Pixel 3a did really well, so I can expect the same for the 4a, but leave your thoughts in the comment sections below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.